So I'm here getting my breakfast. Just a small, quick breakfast before I head out. Cooking pumpkin, and we'll be having some roti with this. This is our breakfast. Starting to make a nice oil roti. I'm going to put a pan in there to get hot. One side, another one, same thing. Always a good thing to leave it to sit for about a minute and a half to get cooled down a little bit and then pack it. This would be for that lovely roti. I'm going to give you guys a taste test of this delicious breakfast. It is Guyanese style breakfast, Caribbean style, and here we go. Pumpkin roti. Now here